Hi kids, it's Mrs. N and Flyer here. No, it's not. It's Volvomannen 79. Today I will be looking for some gravel roads. It's beautiful weather. It's the day before Easter, called Long Friday, at least in Swedish. Yep, that's about it. Get back to you when I found some cool roads. Adios. Another one. Hi. I thought I'd just keep filming. I have a lot of batteries with me, so it can just continue. I'm not really sure where I'm going. I will be... Well, I'll just go and go and go and see if there will be any roads. The GPS that looks like gravel roads. What drive mode do I have? I have Dynamic Pro. I'm gonna change that for Enduro Pro later. A lot of motorcycles out today. This is mopeds? No, it's motorcycles. If they heard me, they kick my ass. Let's switch to... Okay, wait a minute. Enduro Pro mode. The Enduro Pro mode is a lot more fun. It's really fun. I might as well test the sound quality in higher speeds. And well, yeah, this is how it sounds. I have the mic inside the helmet, so it shouldn't be that bad. This one, there should be some gravel. Slippery on the Enduro Pro mode. Try not to upset too many people. Oh, crazy, it's a horse. I wonder where this is going. Someone's been driving. What's it? Ah, there's a car. Gonna brake. Shit, it's a bad grip here. Loose gravel on top. Rocks. This was not good. It's a lake down there. I should go take a bath. Bumps. Okay, I go this way. Gotta be careful. If I meet a car, I crash. I don't want to do that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I don't remember it being this bad. Oh, that looks fun. It's a dead end. That's boring. But it's a lot of roads like this. Oh, look! What are they doing here? It's like an R6 or something. I didn't look, but it's not a gravel road bike, that's for sure. Okay, so the gravel continues. Well, that's a short clip. Probably a dead end on a little farm or something in here. But I will go see. Sorry, sheep. Sheep. Is it a dead end here? Doesn't look like that on the GPS. Hey. Oi. A crazy dog. Oh no. Is this a road? It is a road. Everything is a road with an off-road bike. Okay. I fucking hate when it's a dead end on a small road. Like this, no? And here we have another. Here we have, what do we have? Let's see where that goes. Just going, it keeps going there. Great, I love that. And now it's not marked. I wonder where it leads. Little look at this hawk. or duck camp. There's a camp here. It's a cabin by the lake. That's like a horror movie. Well, this was a dead end at least. Damn, these gloves are pretty warm. Deep tracks. And now we're going this way. It's a bit hard to see through the... That's slippery. Okay, another... Shit. I wonder if I'm finding my way home. I'm going down there. What? Let's see what I have. How's the battery? Nope, I'm gonna change that first. Oh look, that is fun. Yep, I'm gonna change battery. Hey, didn't I stop this? Yep, so we're back online. I'm gonna go up there. This are down. Okay. Oh, nice. No, this will be heavy. I think I've been here before. This is getting worse and worse and worse, and then it's really hard to turn around. Yep, it's blocked here. I'm gonna do like this. No, it wasn't there. It was here. You know what? I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna see where it leads. It's actually a better road. For a while. Damn, that's a big rock in the grass. I don't have such good tires in the back. It's an Anarchy 3, Karoo 3, and ooh, not a big rock. And well, it's not good grip on this kind of roads. Okay, where is it going? Looks like something is going this way. Yeah, it's a road. I wonder where the hell... Ah, okay, I'm getting out on that asphalt again. Ooh, pretty darn steep. Okay, a short detour. Shit, it's hard to see. It's really hard to see. Gotta be ready for anything. Okay, it's a lake. Skönvads lake. Are you fucking kidding me? I wonder if I can go up there. Well, I have to try, haven't I? Let's see. Shit. Fuck off. This looks... I should use dynamic here, I think. Oh, stuck. Fuck, am I gonna get that up? Why do I do shit like this? Oh. Of every fucking time. So fucking stupid. Stop this shit.